We're downtown Augusta looking for the Fry House. Like, this is their downtown district. As you can tell, look at the architecture. This is old. Dom's Barbershop, antiques. Holy mackerel. This is an old town, and even some of the cars are real old. But it looks really cute. And we're going to go to the Fry House because it's got lobster rolls, they said, to die for. And then all kinds of seafood platters. So that's what we're into, and we'll bring you along. We'll see. Well, guys, welcome to Fish Show. We have arrived at Fry House. This came with a lot of recommendations. They said you won't be disappointed. They've got lobster rolls that we're waiting to, can't wait to chow down. So we're excited. Come on in. They've got all kinds of great seafood, and I think we're gonna have a great time tonight. Check that out, guys. Stop in. We're awesome. Wings, burgers, lobster rolls, and tacos. Well, we're here at the Fry House. Look at that menu. Haddock chowder. These are the specials, rather. Blackened haddock sandwich. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah. And this is what I have.
No. Hey, hold on.
It's delicious.
You might
And then we have the menu. Quarter-pound lobster rolls.
Sure thing.
And Amy, what's her basket called?
She wants the scallops, right?
Yes.
Scallops, not the clams?
Clams.
Clams, okay, sorry. So we'll get a pint of clams. So they'll just be a huge pint of clams and
Absolutely. And you got tartar sauce? To
we
go
got
with?
tartar sauce and we got cocktail sauce. I can do
I
both
like
of them
both.
if you like.
Yes.
So what, you got the lobster roll?
Oh yeah, quarter-pound lobster.
You're gonna
roll.
love it.
They promised me I won't be disappointed, so here we go. Nice.
There you go. We've got, here's some of that. That's that.
These are the whole clams, and they're deep fried, but
Well,
I
let's
think I'm
take a
gonna
look
enjoy
at
these, and I'll do this all the time.
that. And then this
So,
here,
just
look
this
at that.
week.
Wait. Look at the lobster roll. Oh my goodness. Oh honey, I want to see you chowing down on it.
These are so tender, you would not believe it.
Really?
These are so tender, it's almost like an oyster,
I don't know if I believe you. I'm
but
gonna have to
again,
try
they're
them.
fried.
But she said there was a really light batter. And we're on vacation. What the hey?
Alright, so I'm gonna try this lobster roll
Let
right
me
here.
zoom in on that
And
delicious
it's
lobster
got some
roll.
chunky lobster fresh. So I'm really excited. So I'm going to pick this little guy
I'm
up.
starting to salivate.
Basically, it's in a little roll. So
Very nice, yes.
see it.
And that's just a quarter-pound lobster roll. And I think that's a thumbs up.
that is excellent.
Excellent.
I am a big fan of lobster, and this week's going to be a lot of lobster with butter.
Oh yeah,
This is really good. I've never had a lobster roll. I like this.
it's very nice. And what is? Look at that white. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh man, am I gonna chow that? Well, I like tartar sauce. I don't know about you guys. I'm a tartar sauce freak, and I want my clams. Look at that. Does that not make you want to salivate right there? Well, watch this. Right in there. Oh, and here it goes.
What do you think?
I think I'm gonna have another one and another one.
Hey, this was a good
Tender is gonna be. I'm gonna try one more
It ended
and
up.
not be a little piggy about it. The tartar sauce is fresh. This is so tender and light, really, and the batter isn't crusty, where it's been deep fried for a long time. Very good. Now, I'm gonna do something a little different. I don't want to bite the whole. I want to just eat a piece of it. Look at that. Is that not beautiful? That's really all I want. This has got to be what heaven's like. This is the ultimate. A quarter pound. If that not outright, and this is fresh as can be, guys. Well, we're gonna chow down. I wish you guys were here with us. Okay. All right, guys, welcome to Fisher. We just finished an excellent meal at the name of the place is
Fry
The
house.
Fry House. And what did we have? But nice clam basket, lightly fried. That Hans and Debbie are the proprietors, and they founded this place. It's new on the market, and we also had, let me say, a lobster roll, cold, and it was excellent. Nothing less than excellent. So I'm going to turn the mic over to Hans and Debbie. They're going to introduce themselves, and talk about why they made this and what their best dish is and how the restaurant's doing.
My name is Hans. This is Deb. I've been in the restaurant industry for 31 years, and I've opened a couple of small businesses, and I've worked for several people over the years. We've now come to the Fry House. For 2 years we've owned it, and we specialize in chicken, seafood, everything homemade as possible. Deb?
I've only been in the restaurant industry for 2 years. This was my first experience. I have another full-time job, but I do work here part-time with Hans. I would say one of our best dishes is when Hans does his specials. We have a lobster mac and cheese that's to die for. It's homemade, everything's made, except obviously the pasta, everything's made from scratch. His specials are really taking off. Some specialty sandwiches, and tacos. We're trying to
Almost every day.
We're trying to offer some different things so people don't think they have to come here just to get fried food. We'd like them to come maybe twice a week instead of just once a week.
We'll come twice a week.
Homemade soups, stews, and chowders every day.
Excellent. I didn't know about the lobster mac and cheese, but I can promise you that's on the menu.
Doesn't last very long.
No, it doesn't. That's excellent. Excellent. So what's your best dish over the counter?
The best dish over the counter would probably be chicken snacks, chicken baskets, haddock. Haddock is a huge hit in the state of Maine, and that will never change. It's
So don't you have cod here also? And how do
Well, we have cod available in the state, but we serve haddock.
Okay, and that's locally caught here. Around in the main waters?
It depends. It depends where you're purchasing. The supply and demand is crazy right now, so it's hard to get just fresh or IQF but anyway, we try to get the most, the most best part of it.
So you guys have been open, you said 2 years? 2 years.
2 years in October.
How did you get the name Fry House?
Oh, God, that was the hardest thing.
Yeah, the name.
That was the absolute hardest thing to find.
Yeah.
Everything else was easy for me.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it was.
Well, you're a natural because you're in the restaurant business.
Yeah, how did we come up with that?
Well, our building looks like a house, and we
It does.
fry.
Very good, very original.
And Hans said, well, add the E because I don't want it to just be fry. I want it to be different. So.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Well, we are, Amy and I both, we're very impressed. This is real good. And hats off to you, man. Just keep it up because when you put your heart into it, people can tell. Especially if you come out with you have good products.
Thank you.
It's not just one. It's good. Shame on him for not telling me about mac and cheese. That kills me. Because we love lobster mac and cheese. We've had it several times, but I'm sure he does it real good. But we will come back again and maybe we'll do a follow-up video. And guys, thanks for spending the time tonight to watch us. If you're ever in, this town is called exactly? Farmingdale, Maine. Check them out. Show them some love. This is well worth your time. And as the sign says, it's awesome. We put an exclamation after that. So thank you and God bless.
Thank you.